How to make preset in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you log into your account, all you can see on the home page is the option of new project. So as you can see over here, is the new project. So tap on it, and as you tap on new project, tap on the pictures or the videos or the project that you would want to add, or any of the documents that you'd want for your file over here. As you select that, tap on add, and as you do that, you can just save this file over here. Now as you save the file, you can save it with any name or you can just rename it. After that, you can just tap on done and save it over here. Now you can see the saved project over here. Now tap on new project again and then select on the project and then tap on the video that you had earlier set over here just now. So just tap on add and you can just create and edit according to it, and you'll be able to make a preset in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.